Good morning, YouTube. This is Martin with the Honest Guys here at another one unit here in Woodstock, Georgia. Just want to give you guys a layout of what we'll be cleaning today. Yeah, get that cleaned out. Another long run, easy, nice straight lines, not too bad. Just a unit right down here. Another one. Got the nice setup. Customer does a podcast. He has a cover, but that's the other line right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, we got 4 vents today. This is the upstairs of what I just showed you guys. So we're gonna hit every single 4 vent. There's the cover system. I'll show you guys the other one. Not too bad. The other side of the house has on the wall. There's only 2 vents. I'll show you guys that right now. Here it is cleaned. We got these ones just cleaned as well. And then there was one behind the bed, but I already cleaned it, put the bed back. We're just finishing up the rest of this house. I'll show you guys a video of me playing with the cover system and finished up, packing up. We're pretty much done for the day. You guys have a great day, and see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great one.